So you said you wanted to have more videos of my dog, so here it is. I want to have my puppy in this a lot. Baby girl, guess what? No, you're mine now. You're mine. Come here, you're getting on the chair. Don't think you're not. Here, hey. Hey, you're on. Alright? I'm just gonna film you. Sorry about the covering here. I put my finger on the camera and I didn't really, I messed up, but there's my puppy. Show him, puppy. My puppy's like so scared right now. Look at the springs. Yeah. That's my video about my dog. I hope you guys liked it. Give me a thumbs up if you did. And I'll see you guys in the next vid. Peace.